Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This video brings to you a step-by-step process on how to attach timber siding and other exterior cladding finishes on shipping container homes. Stay tuned to find out how. Welcome back. Shipping containers are made from a durable type of steel called coating steel. If the container is bought in a good condition, it can be used with its original colors and markings intact. However, adding an exterior finish will help you give your shipping container house a more personalized look and identity. In addition, external cladding also allows you to insulate your shipping container from the outside, hence helping you save much of the interior space on the inside of the container. You can also put an external finish on your container house to prolong the life of your shipping containers, especially if you bought them as old and used containers. Timber cladding of shipping container homes is the most popular option of adding exterior finishes and cladding on shipping container homes. The following are the 6 steps on how to attach timber siding and other exterior cladding finishes on a shipping container house. Step 1. You will buy a one-trip shipping container. One-trip containers are preferable because they have less or no blemish and are also cheaper than new containers. On the other hand, you can also use old containers, but ensure all the challenges of dampness, corrosion, deformed corners, dented walls, and buckled roof panels are addressed before cladding your container house. If not addressed, all these blemish spots can accumulate water and cause corrosion on your shipping containers. Step 2. Mark and cut out door and window openings. The first thing you'll need to do is to mark out the position of all the doors and window openings using a permanent marker. It is easier to mark out the openings from the inside of your shipping containers, especially if the ground level on the outside is not even. You need to ensure the windows are the correct size to allow the window frame to fit snugly to help you keep your openings and your shipping container home watertight. Step 3. Weld metal brackets on the container exterior. You will have to weld steel brackets cut out from a heavy gauge steel angle line onto the exterior of the container walls. Weld the brackets at least 600 millimeters apart at a quarter height from both the bottom and the top beams of the shipping containers. Ensure the height of the bracket is not obtrusive in order to avoid interfering with the siding installation. Once all the brackets are welded, you will have to screw holes through the brackets and rust-proof them in readiness for the stud work. Alternatively, you can skip this step by screwing the studs directly onto the top and the bottom beams of the shipping container. However, you run the risk of piercing the container walls, which can interfere with the water tightness of your shipping container. Step number 4, you stud the outside of the container. Attach the timber studs snugly between the top and the bottom beams to avoid piercing the container walls. Install 2x2 timber studs inside the trough of the corrugated container walls to keep it flush with the ridges of the container. Secure the studs into place by screwing them tightly onto the welded brackets. Ensure the timber used is well seasoned to prevent rotting and also well treated with an anti-termite. Provide additional reinforcement to the wooden studs around the openings. Remember, the studs can be attached either vertically or horizontally depending on the type of siding for your exterior finish. The fifth step is to attach the siding. Once all the studs are securely in place, the next thing is to install the cladding. At this point, you can virtually install any type of cladding or exterior finish of your choice. You will only need to adapt an appropriate technique to attach the cladding depending on the choice of your exterior finish. Ensure the timber used is well seasoned to prevent rotting and well treated with an anti-termite. We've done a comprehensive video on 17 different types of exterior cladding and siding finishes to use on your shipping container house. So feel free to check out that video so that you can find out practical examples of what has been done on shipping containers from around the world. Last but not least, the sixth step is to do finishing to your exterior siding. You can finish your timber cladding by applying polyurethane varnish. You can also finish the panels with a wood stain of a color of your choice, or even paint the entire cladding in a color of your choice. With all this done and dusted, you should be ready to admire your new house. We hope you found our analysis exhaustive and informative enough to help you decide on the type of exterior finish to use on your shipping container project. If you've built your own shipping container home, let us know what type of exterior finish you used by posting in the comments below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. See you next week as we explore another amazing design idea of shipping container homes. Bye for now.